All right, what's up, guys? We are in Chase's works garage right now. He's doing all the work. The warehouse.
We call it
warehouse.
The HQ.
So we're working on switching out these headlights here. So I have just bone stock headlights that Chase wants for some reason, and we're gonna do these. What are these? The Tacoma Beast, but
Tacoma Beast sequential turn signal DRL.
that is a long
Kind
ass
of a
name.
mouthful. Why? Ryan, I think we're good actually. Nice little plug, and that's it for this headlight. What's that? Right. That's the stupidest idea Toyota's had. I told you. You pull down the bumper. You pull down the bumper. Perfect. There goes that. Oh, we need that. If not, I'll just take your stock projectors. This one's a freaking say. Oh. All right, there we go. That's yours. Where did that thing go? He's gonna paint the DRL even, make it black. Everything's gonna be black, and then he's gonna make this ring right here white, and then everything else is gonna be blacked out with the 2 white halos. He's gonna, so as he mounts it, he's gonna do the first halo, and then he's gonna tape on the brow and just send me a picture. And then he's gonna do the second halo, tape on the brow and send me a picture, and just see how it goes. We'll find out. I've never been this big into it. I had a Tacoma, an 02 Tacoma with like 330,000 miles on it for my high school truck. And I didn't do like, I did like stupid little things like decals and plastic dipping like the chrome and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But other than that, like, I didn't do anything too big to it. But then I installed my subs on my, and then I got a Nissan Titan and I installed my subs and I wired up the headlights myself on those, and those had like LED halos on it and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And that's when I really got into it. I was like, oh, this is kind of fun. And so I eventually sold that a couple months later and I got this thing. And instead of paying people to do all the upgrades on it, you just like figure out how to do it yourself, watch YouTube videos, and then before you know it, you're like, you don't even need to watch a YouTube video to like wire up a light bar, you know?
Yeah.
It's pretty fun. I love it.
That'd be sweet.
I'm
Ways away. But
honestly, dude, like, I think like my best advice would to be like all the upgrades. Just like there's so many YouTube videos on everything. Like, watch a YouTube video and try it yourself.
Yeah.
If you can't do it and you mess up, then pay somebody to do it. But like, nothing you do on these is that hard, honestly, other than like bumpers and actually cutting the body is a little scary. Maybe pay somebody to do that, but like when it comes to like light bars and light pads and like the racks and stuff like that, like a bed rack and all that, it's like you should try it yourself. It's pretty fun, and then before you know it, like you're just able to do everything yourself.
Yeah.
So when I got my Tacoma, you saw, you can see how many people make things for it.
Yeah.
And it really just, you can make it your own. So as soon as I got it, you really get into dipping your feet in the water. But before the Tacoma, I didn't really mod anything other than the typical lift tires and wheels. So it's just cool being able to make it yours and unique.
Yeah. Right. last headlight.
So these ones are all prepped, ready to go for your stock wiring, which is the nice thing. So
Got like a truck build. I can say I got a truck build, right? I mean, I got a decal. I mean, you know, at least going 10 more miles per hour with that.
honestly, some of the accounts that like Tacoma Beast are shouting out like just straight stock Tacomas,
Yeah.
saying that they have a build, it's kind of fun. They have like nothing. They have an American flag under their mirror and that's it.
They keep these, but they're not really going to do any good for you unless you switch your headlights and eventually go to like your retrofits or anything back with the stock headlight size,
Okay.
or anything that can run the H11.
Are they going to benefit you more than me?
No,
Okay.
I have 2 sets of them.
Test 3. Good. Right. Yep. 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 So we got Chase almost done getting those headlights on his. How's the process so far?
It's going. It's going. Might have to do it again in a week when I get the other ones done.
Yeah, if you want to follow these guys, it's Chase Rome's. Is this Tacoma Shark, the Shark Taco out there. They have cooler trucks than me, for sure, guaranteed. So go check them out on Instagram and wherever you can find them.
Wow. All right.
So we're looking at the final product. Here we are. And here's Chase's brand new stock lights. Brand new stocks. They don't look bad on his. So you guys, the lights are installed, and tomorrow we're going to be tackling the grill, which is going to be super easy. So lights are awesome. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and comment and subscribe. Let me know what you think of the new lights, the new Tacoma Beast. Oh, excuse me, headlights here. So super happy with them. Big shout out to Chase Rome's and Ryan over with the Shark Taco. So shout out to those guys. Make sure you go follow them and check out their stuff. And yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in.